Got some crooked Christmas decorations when I got up this morning.
Yeah? Your snowmen laying on the side?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, it's been the case across most of the state. We didn't see the snow in southeastern parts of the state. That's probably the biggest blessing places near Sioux Falls, Brookings, and even towards Yankton have seen from this storm, the no snow. Because check this out. This is a snowdrift, and that is a four-wheel truck. Look how high up that snowdrift is. That's about 5 to 6 feet. The road being cleared off by snowblowers on US 212 near Newell. That's nasty, and that's a big truck. And how about this big tree in Yankton being knocked down because of 70+ mile-per-hour wind gusts? Normally that's a very severe thunderstorm. We were dealing with gusts like that all night last night. If you do have any of these pictures, keep sending those to us. Facebook and Twitter, KDLT Weather on Facebook and Twitter. Also, the KDLT Weather mobile app, you can now live stream us on, so head on over there if you're out and about, not near your TV. 74 mile-per-hour wind gusts in Marshall. That is a Category 1 hurricane gust. Now, we continue to see those strong winds through the afternoon today. Not quite in the 60s and 70s like we had earlier this morning and last night, but places like Kimball, Mitchell, Slayton, Orange City, wind gusts topping into the low to mid-60s. Now, in Sioux Falls, it was into the mid-50s, but that's still quite strong. Now, only is 58 mile-per-hour wind gusts for a severe thunderstorm warning, to put that into perspective. 29 degrees the high today. The low temperature started off at 15. Didn't see any snow in Sioux Falls, as I mentioned. So on the month, still less than 11 inches. Still a little bit above where we're supposed to be at. And for the rest of the month, I don't think we'll see snow. But as we move on into the start of next year and next month, we could deal with some snow showers. Now, that big system that brought us the strong winds now pushing off into Canada. We're clearing out behind that. Still wind an issue across the northeastern parts of the United States and in the northeastern parts of our viewing area. Upper 30s and lower 30s with those wind gusts. Strongest on the east side of the Siston Hills and the Buffalo Ridge, while farther west finally dying down. Peak wind gusts today in Winter and Pierre into the upper 60s with those wind gusts. And no travel still advised across north central parts of the state, off towards Watertown as well. McLaughlin, look at that. Roadway hard to see on US 12. And then in Trail City, I showed this a little bit earlier, hard to see the roads out there. So don't travel unless you absolutely have to. The wind's still blowing snow across the area. Sustained wind still around 20 to 25 miles per hour, keeping wind chills below zero. And that's just one of the issues we'll deal with tonight. As we head on into the overnight tonight, we'll see clearing skies. The winds will start to pick up again in some spots, dying down in others, while the clouds, while they're building off towards the east, they'll clear up off towards the west. Plenty of sunshine on the way for your Tuesday. And then again on Wednesday. However, Wednesday, we add the wind back into the picture. Clouds to start the day Wednesday with this little clipper system. Otherwise, more sunshine. And the rest of the week actually looking pretty quiet, except for the winds again Wednesday and Thursday. Overnight tonight, cold along US 12. Single digits with the teens farther towards the south. 18 in Wagner. Will climb to 40 along the South Dakota-Nebraska border. 44 in Valentine for your Tuesday. 32 in Pierre. 31 in Huron. 70 forecast shows some warmth by Wednesday. Could see the 40s, but the wind's back as well. And then Friday, 37 degrees. Sunshine all week. The weekend, a little more cloud cover. We ring in the new year at 31 degrees on Sunday. And then our next chance at snow. We'll start the new year out right? Snow? Or at least that's the way I think of it. We'll keep an eye on that one.
All right. Thanks, Brandon.